Hi students, welcome back to our channel DSR Maths. In this video, we will learn some tricks to solve the problems on compound angles, which is the part of trigonometry, right? So once you see the first one, if a plus b equal to pi by 4, then we have to prove 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan b equal to 2. And second one is 1 minus cot a, 1 minus cot b equal to 2. Right? First we have to prove this one. By using this, these conditions, how to apply on problems, we will see next. Right? And now first one, you take the given condition, a plus b equal to pi by 4. Apply tan on both the sides for this one. Tan of a plus b equal to tan pi by 4 is 1. Now apply the tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b equal to 1. Cross multiplication, tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. This minus term bring this side. So what we get? Tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b equal to 1. Adding 1 on both the sides. So that implies 1 plus tan a, 1 here tan b plus tan a into tan b equal to 1 plus 1. Once you observe here 1 plus tan a, write that is as it is 1 plus tan a plus, from these two tan b common. So here what is remaining? 1 remaining, plus here what is remaining? Tan a equal to 2. Again from these two, if you take 1 plus tan a common, so here what is remaining? 1 plus here tan b equal to 2. So whenever a plus b equal to pi by 4, our condition is what? 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Right? So this is also applicable for tan a plus b equal to 1 also. Not only a plus b equal to pi by 4. If tan a plus b equal to 1, then 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan b also 2. Right? For example, suppose they given 1 plus tan 22 degrees, 1 plus tan 23 degrees. So it is in the form of 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan b. So here a equal to 22 and b equal to 23. If you add these two, then 22 a plus b equal to 22 plus 23, that is equal to 45. Is it satisfying this condition? A plus b equal to 45. And it is in the form of 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan b. So simply you can take this value is 2. Right? Next, take the second one. That is 1 minus cot a, 1 minus cot b equal to 2. Whenever a plus b equal to pi by 4. But here we have to apply cot. Right? If we apply the cot on both the sides, what will we get? Cot a, cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a equal to cot pi by 4, 1. Again, cross multiplication, cot a into cot b minus 1 equal to cot b plus cot a. These two terms bring that side. So what will we get? Cot a, cot b minus cot a minus cot b. This minus value bring this side. Here what will get? 1. Again, adding 1 on both the sides. 1 plus cot a, cot b minus cot a minus cot b equal to 1 plus 1. So here, once you observe here, 1 is there, here minus tan A is there. Write these two like this. 1 minus cot A. Again, from these two, if you take cot B common, here what is remaining? Cot A. Here minus 1 equal to 2. Right? Now, so again I will write it as 1 minus cot A. Here minus take common from these two, take minus common. So here minus cot B into, if you take minus common, 1 minus cot A equal to what? 2. From these two I will take 1 minus cot A common. What is remaining here? 1. Here minus cot B equal to 2. So that implies 1 minus cot A, 1 minus cot B equal to 2. So whenever A plus B equal to pi by 4, or you can apply cot on both the sides, means cot A plus B equal to what we will get? 1. So this is also not only for A plus B equal to pi by 4. If cot A plus B equal to 1, even though 1 minus cot A, 1 minus cot B equal to what? 2. This can also be written as cot A minus 1 into cot B minus 1 equal to 2. Right? If you take minus common, here minus common, minus or minus plus, means cot A minus 1, cot B minus 1 is also 2. Right? So we will do the one problem based on this one. See this problem. Here what they given, first one, if you take 1 plus tan 1 degree, 1 plus tan 2 degree, 1 plus tan 3 degree, etc. so on, 1 plus 44 degrees, right? So for this, which condition we have to use? We know that if A plus B equal to 45 or pi by 4, what is the condition? 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. This is our condition, right? A plus B equal to pi by 4 or A plus B equal to 45, 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B equal to 2. So here they given 1 plus tan 1 degree, 1 plus tan 2 degrees, 1 plus tan 3 degrees, and so on, 1 plus 44 degrees. See, I will write these two at one place, tan 1 degree, 1 plus tan 44 degrees, because once you see these two satisfies this condition. See, it is in the form of 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B. In place of A 1 and place of B 44 degrees. Add these two 45 degrees. Right? A plus B equal to 45, and it is in the form of 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B. So simply you can take the value of this one is 2. Next 1 plus tan 2 degrees, 1 plus tan 43 degrees, right? So on, last 1 plus tan 22 degrees, 1 plus tan 23 degrees, right? So 1 degrees to 44 degrees, 144, 243, right? 342. So on, 1 plus tan 22 degrees, 1 plus tan 23 degrees. So each pair gives the value 2. This is also 2. This is the next one also 2, etc. Last one also 2. Like this, how many pairs you will get? Total 22 pairs you will get, right? 22 times. Each pair gives 2. Now that is equal to 2 into 2 into etc. 22 times is equal to what? 2 power 22. So simply by using this condition we can find the value of this one. So that is 2 power 22. So take the next one also. That is here also for this second problem, which condition we have to use? A plus B equal to 45, 1 minus cot A, 1 minus cot B equal to 2, or cot A minus 1, cot B minus 1 is also 2, right? Because the given, this is in the form of cot A minus 1. Now, cot 1 degree minus 1, cot 2 degree minus 1, cot 3 degree minus 1, so on, cot of 44 degrees minus 1. Here also, like previous problem, we have to take cot 1 degree minus 1, cot 44 minus 1 into cot 2 degrees minus 1 into cot 43 degrees minus 1. So on, cot 22 degrees minus 1, cot 23 degrees minus 1. So here it is also in the form of cot A minus 1, cot B minus 1. So here A equal to 1, B equal to 44. If you add these two, 45. Now it is also in the form of A plus B equal to 45. Means what is our condition? Cot A minus 1 cot into cot B minus 1 is equal to 2. So here this pair gives the value is what? 2. And this pair also 2. Into 2 etc. 2. Here also how many times means so these total 22 times, right? So that is equal to 2 power 22. So this value also 2 power 22. So like this, so by using this condition, simply we can find the value of given series. Next, third one. Here what they are asking, you have to find the value of tan pi by 8. Means tan of 22.5 degrees, right? 180 by 8. So for that, I will take the condition like this. We know that A plus B equal to pi by 4 or 45. What is our condition? 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. In this, replace B by A or B equal to A. If you take B equal to A, so 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A equal to 2. Okay. Now 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A. That implies 1 plus tan A whole square equal to what? 2. That implies 1 plus tan A equal to plus or minus root 2. Now here 1 plus tan A equal to what? Plus or minus root 2. Now tan A equal to plus or minus root 2 minus 1. But which value we have to find? Tan pi by 8. So take A equal to pi by 8. So tan pi by 8 is equal to what? Plus or minus root 2 minus 1 is there. But pi by 8 is equal to what? 22.5 degrees means 22.5 degrees. Means first quadrant. In the first quadrant, tan is positive. So that's why what we have to take root 2 minus 1. Since tan pi by 8, it is what? Greater than 0. So what is the value of tan pi by 8? Root 2 minus 1. It is also equal to cot 67.5 degrees. 90 minus tan 22.5 degrees equal to cot 67.5 degrees or 67.5 degrees. 90 minus 22.5, right? Means that is also you can write r cot of 3 pi by 8. Okay. Second one. Here what they given? A plus B equal to 3 pi by 4 means 135. If A plus B equal to sum of two angles equal to 135, then our condition is 1 minus tan A, 1 minus tan B equal to 2. And the second one is 1 plus cot A, 1 plus cot B is also 2. Right? First we will prove the these given conditions, right? After that, by using these conditions, how to do the problems we see, right? Now, for that, first you take the given condition a plus b equal to 3 pi by 4. By using this one, we have to prove these two. Apply tan on both the sides for first one. Tan a plus b equal to tan of 3 pi by 4. Tan 135. Second quadrant 180 minus 45. Second quadrant tan negative 180, tan does not change. So answer minus 1. Right? So this condition, not only a plus b equal to 3 pi by 4, it is also true for what? A plus b, tan a plus b equal to what? Minus 1 also. Right? Now, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b equal to right side minus 1 is there. Here also same like previous problem. Multiply, cross multiplication, tan a plus tan b minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus plus tan a into tan b. This term bring this side. So that's why, otherwise minus 1 bring this side, this tan a tan b bring that side. What? Right? Now that is equal to tan a tan b. These two I will take that side, means minus tan a minus tan b. And minus 1 bring this side, what will get? Plus 1. Adding 1 on both the sides, 1 plus tan a tan b minus tan a minus tan b equal to 1 plus 1. So from these two we can write 1 minus tan a. Again from these two, tan b common plus tan b. If you take common, what is remaining here? Tan a. Here minus 1 equal to right side 2. That implies here take minus common, because here 1 minus tan a is there, no? So this is also right 1 minus tan a. For that I will take minus common, means here minus, you will get minus tan b. 1 minus tan a equal to 2. Again from these two, what we can take common? 1 minus tan a. What is remaining here? 1. Here minus 1 minus tan b equal to 2. So whenever a plus b, sum of the two angles equal to 3 pi by 4 or 135 degrees, then what is our condition? 1 minus tan a, 1 minus tan b equal to 2. Also you can write it as tan a minus 1 into tan b minus 1 is equal to 2 also. Okay. Similarly, we can prove second one also. But for the second one, we have to apply cot on both the sides. So cot of a plus b equal to cot 3 pi by 4. Right? Now cot a plus b, cot a, cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a equal to cot 3 pi by 4 minus 1. So cot 3 pi by 4 means here also this condition is exist for what? Cot a plus b equal to minus 1. Not only a plus b equal to 3 pi by 4. Now cross multiplication, that implies cot a cot b minus 1 equal to minus cot b minus cot a. These minus values bring this side. So cot a plus cot b plus cot a cot b minus 1 bring that side equal to 1. Adding 1 on both the sides like previous one, 1 plus cot a cot b plus cot a cot b equal to 1 plus 1. So from these two we can write 1 plus cot a as it is, and from these two take cot b common. So here what is remaining? 1 plus cot a remaining equal to 2. Again from these two, if you take 1 plus cot a common, what is remaining? 1 plus cot b equal to 2. So here also a plus b equal to 135 or sum of two angles equal to 3 pi by 4. Then condition is 1 plus cot A 1 plus cot B equal to 2. Okay. Now see this problem. This problem is on second condition. So here we have to prove this one. Tan 46 minus 1, tan 47 degrees minus 1, so on, tan 89 degrees minus 1. So to find the value of this series, we have the condition whenever a plus b equal to 135 degrees or 3 pi by 4, what is our condition? 1 minus tan a into 1 minus tan b equal to 2. But here what is there? Tan a minus 1 form is there. So if you take here minus common, here minus 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 plus, you will get. So also you can write like this. But tan a minus 1 into tan b minus 1 is equal to what? Okay. And now we have to identify the pair where a plus b equal to 135 and which is in the form of tan a minus 1, tan b minus 1. So for that, once you observe this series, here tan 46 degrees minus 1 into tan 89. Tan 89 degrees minus 1. This is one pair which gives value 2. And here tan 45 degrees minus 1 and 47. If you take here, increasing this one and this should be decreased. Tan 88 minus 1. Okay. And tan 48 minus 1 into tan 87 minus 1. Once you see, it is in the form of tan a minus 1, tan b minus 1. If you add these two, what will get? 135 degrees. And here also, if you add these two, what will get? 135 degrees. And here also, if you add these two, what will get? 135 degrees. So on, last term, carefully you have to observe that one. So that is tan 67 minus 1, tan 68 minus 1. Add these two. 60, 60, 120 plus 15, 135 degrees minus 1. So here it is in the form of tan a minus 1, tan b minus 1. This gives 2, value 2. So this pair also value 2 and this is 2, etc. This is also 2. So how many times? So total 22 times, right? So that is 2 power 22. So the value of this given series, this one is what? 2 power 22. By using which condition? A plus b equal to 135, tan a minus 1, tan b minus 1 equal to 2. So if you know this condition, by using this condition, simply we can find the value of this one, right? Next. Second one is what? Whenever a plus b equal to 135, 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is also 2. Now once you see, we have to find the value of P into Q when P equal to Q equal to given. So P into Q equal to, so which two pairs we have to take? So which two pairs gives A plus B equal to 135 and which is in the form of 1 plus cot A, 1 plus cot B? We have to observe that one. So that is, once you observe here from the P, we have to multiply these two terms, right? This factor and with this one, this product with this product. So here it is cot 1 plus 1. So here along this one, cot 134 plus 1 if you take. So it is in the form of 1 plus cot A, 1 plus cot B, or cot A plus 1, cot B plus 1, whatever it may be. So here if you add these two, 1 plus 134, 135, and it is satisfies this condition. Next one is cot 2 degrees plus 1, cot 130. So this is 135, 2 and it is what? 133 plus 1. If you add these two again, what will get? 135. So on, last term is what? cot 9 degrees plus 1, cot 126 degrees plus 1. So 9 plus 126, 135. That is equal to what? So this product means this pair gives 2 because it's satisfying a plus b equal to 135. It is in the form of 1 plus cot A, 1 plus cot B. Now this is 2 into this is also 2, next one also, etc. This is also 2. So total how many terms are there like this? 9 times. So that is equal to what? 2 to the power of 9. These are the 2 homework problems based on previous concept. If you are new for this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the like button also. Thank you.